Want to check if your iPhone is real or not? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily check whether your iPhone is real or not. First thing first, head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, you need to head over to General. And inside General, head over to About at the very top. In this page, you will be able to see your serial number. Copy that number. Once you've copied, now go back and head over to Safari. In the address bar, search for check coverage. Head over to the very first site. Once you're in this page, tap on View in Safari. Scroll all the way down until you see the country. Click on the specific country. Now in the section of Enter a serial number, you have to paste the serial number that you have copied and then tap on Submit. Now you have to wait for a while. If all the information is shown to you, then it means that your iPhone is real. But if none of the informations are available, then it means that your iPhone isn't real. So this is simply how you can check whether your iPhone is real or not. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.